consistent with our view of the kinetic molecular theory of gas particles being far apart and liquids are being close together. Makes sense, doesn't it? Okay. This gas, which condensed to its liquid state, also has another peculiar property. Got to get this cold. The reason is because I'm going to pour this liquid on the magnet and see if the liquid sticks to the magnet. We're going to get some fresh oxygen or 10 o'clock demonstration where it'll be blue. Here we go. All right, here we go. Look at this. Jelly bean. Put this on here like this. You see that bead hanging off there? Can you see it? See that little bead of liquid hanging off there? You see it, Jenny? See that little bead? You see a little bead?
Uh-huh.
Can you guys see it? There's a lip there. Why is it magnetic? I will show you why it's magnetic. Because the Lewis dot structure for oxygen unpairs these electrons. And since electron has a magnetic moment, liquid oxygen's magnetic. Isn't that cool? It was very cool. It's -178.